Hello and welcome to the Center of Excellence training series on TAK. In this tutorial, we will cover how to access and begin using CloudTAK as part of the COTAK system. Let's get started. CloudTAK is a versatile web-based TAK client that is being developed in-house by the Center of Excellence. CloudTAK has several benefits over other TAK apps due to its ability to utilize cloud computing. This results in the ability to compute a lot of data very quickly. CloudTAK is also a great solution for those who are on macOS or simply cannot download the Windows version of TAK called WinTAK. CloudTAK is best suited for use in dispatch centers, offices, or other situations where your live GPS does not need to be shared with other first responders. To access CloudTAK, navigate using a web browser to map.cotak.gov. You may also find access to CloudTAK via the cotak.gov website, logging in, and selecting CloudTAK in the Resources drop-down menu. When you access map.cotak.gov, enter your COTAK username and password. You will be sent to the main map screen. The first time you log in, you must set your call sign and device preferences. To do so, click the settings icon located in the right toolbar and select Call Sign and Device Preferences. We recommend using the call sign convention, agency acronym, last name, and radio call sign. Next, decide which color your marker will show as on the map. View this table to see which color you should choose. Finally, choose your role based on the table provided. When in doubt, choose the Team Member option. To navigate the map, click and drag. To rotate the map, hold Ctrl, then click and drag left or right. While holding Ctrl, click and drag up or down to change the perspective on the map. Zoom in and out using the mouse wheel or the plus and minus buttons in the top corner. Above the zoom buttons, you have the Get Location tool. Clicking this will set your approximate location based on your internet service provider. Moving the map and selecting this button again will recenter the map on your location. This is also true by clicking on your call sign in the bottom left of your screen. Above the Get Location tool, you will find the Snap to North button. This will reorient the map to north, but will not reset the perspective. Finally, at the top of the left panel is the Search tool. Here, you may enter in an address similar to how you would use a navigation system. When you find the correct address, click on it, and your map will automatically position itself at that exact location. Simply clicking on the Search tool again will remove the text box. Now, we will cover some important CloudTAK tools. At the top right of the page, you will see a bell, pencil, and hamburger menu. The bell will display any notifications with a small red dot next to it. You can click on the notification to be directed to the proper location. To remove the red dot, reopen the notification list and select Clear All. The pencil icon opens up the drawing tool options. Coordinate input allows you to place an icon of your choice at the coordinates that you enter. Draw Point opens a window with 5 different icons to choose from. Select the desired icon, then click on the map to drop the point. The Draw Line tool allows you to place 2 points on the map and will create a straight line between them. The Draw Polygon tool allows you to create any type of shape. Click to put at least 2 points on the map, then double-click at the last point to close the shape. Finally, the Draw Rectangle tool allows you to draw a rectangle in any orientation of your choosing. Drop your first and second point to draw the height of the rectangle. Then use the third point to create the width of the rectangle. Clicking on the hamburger menu icon will open a detailed view of the tools available on CloudTAK. You also have the option of clicking the icons directly. Note that if you are on a mobile device, you will have to utilize the hamburger menu to access the tools. Now, let's start with the Contacts tool. Opening Contacts will show a list of all contacts that are online and those who recently closed their TAK application or lost connection with the TAK server. You may search for specific contacts in the Filter search bar. Clicking on an online contact will reposition your map to their location. Clicking the chat bubble next to their name will open a chat with that contact. Exit the tool by simply clicking the X button at the top left of the window. Below the Contacts tool is the trifold icon representing the Basemaps tool. Opening this tool allows you to change the current basemap displayed on CloudTAK. Feel free to choose whichever basemap best suits your needs. We will cover data sync, data packages, and overlays in a separate video. With that said, these tools operate similarly to ATAK and ITAK, so feel free to utilize them if you feel comfortable. Next up, we will cover the Channels tool. Opening the Channels tool will display all channels available to your COTAK account. An open eyeball icon indicates that the channel is currently on and is sharing your location with all other users on that same channel. Toggling this icon to the off position removes your location and presence from that channel. To the right of the channels, you will also see a pointer arrow icon. Simply put, an open pointer arrow indicates users who are active on this channel can see each other. A closed pointer arrow icon indicates that users on this channel cannot see each other. Instead, these channels are used to supply you with additional data such as aircraft locations or wildland fire data. Each COTAK emergency responder sees a unique list of channels. Some of these channels were created by your agency administrator and are only available to members of your public safety organization, while other channels are available to multiple agencies for use in mutual aid. The COTAK team recommends only turning on mutual aid channels when a need for them arises, but refer to your own agency's policies for definitive guidance. Finally, the text bubble is the chat tool. Opening the chat tool will showcase any active chats you are participating in. Selecting the plus arrow will open the Contacts tool where you can start a new chat with a user that is online. The refresh tool will refresh the tool to check for new messages or users. This concludes our Getting Started tutorial on CloudTAK, powered by the Colorado Department of Public Safety and the Center of Excellence for Advanced Technology Aerial Firefighting. Thanks for watching.